Hello class 1. How are you all? Keeping well? Okay. Children, in the previous class, we were discussing about Priya's friend. This is your English literature class and this is the English literature book. And in the previous class, we have started the second chapter, that is Priya's friend. And I hope all of you have gone through that chapter, isn't it? It was a beautiful and nice chapter, isn't it? And then I told you that in the next class we will discuss the exercises. Okay. So before we start the class, let us do an energizer. Okay. Are you all ready? Okay, fine. Touch your shoulder, touch your neck, touch your nose, touch your ears, touch your hair, touch your chin, give a smile. Fine, clap your hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ready? Okay, fine. So, today in this class, we will do page number 29. Page number is 29 and the chapter is Priya's friend. Okay, Priya's friend. So, we will do the first exercise today. Are you all ready? Yes. Now, put a tick against the correct answer. Now, we will do making connections. What is the name of this exercise? Making connection. We'll make a connection what we have learned in the previous class. Okay, we'll connect, we'll reflect back. Okay. See, number 1 is quick answer. You have to answer very fast. Okay, as you have gone through the chapter, now you will answer very fast. Okay, so this is what? Quick answers. Okay. See, put a tick mark against the correct answer. Now you have to put a tick mark against the correct answers. Number 1 is A. 1A. Where does the story take place? See, this is number 1. Where does the story take place? So, where can you remember? See, look at the picture. You can find out, isn't it? The story begins with this picture, isn't it? So, where does the story take place? In number 1 option is in Priya's classroom. Number 2 is at Priya's home. Where? At Priya's home or at Priya's classroom. So we know that the story takes place in Priya's classroom. So we will put a tick here. Done? Yes. So everyone, all of you are having a pencil with you so that you can put tick mark. Yes. Next one, we'll move to number B. Who is Soma's best friend? Who is Soma's best friend? Try to recollect what have you learned. Number 1, Soma's grandmother. Number 2, Soni or Avi. See, this is the question. Who is Soma's best friend? Now, we know that Soma's best friend was Soni. So, number 2 option is the correct answer. So, you will put here. Okay, put the tick mark here. Soni was Soma's best friend. Okay, now move to number C. Number C is he has curly green hair. He has curly green hair. Who has? Options are trunk of the tree. Number 2, branches of the tree. Number 3, leaves of the tree. So, 3 options are given. Trunk of the tree. Then, number 2 is branches of the tree. Or number 3, leaves of the tree. So, what do you think? Number 3. Leaves of the tree look like green curly hair. Okay. So the answer will be number 3. Leaves of the tree. Okay. Now turn your page. We'll move to the next question. That is page number 30 of the book. So this is page number 30. We'll start doing from the beginning. Okay. Now see. Number D. Number D is which of the following can Priya's friend do? Which of the following thing can Priya's friend do? Number 1. Talk to Priya. Number 2. Tell Priya a story. Number 3. Protect her from rain and hot sun. See children, 3 options are given here. So Priya's friend can talk to her. Number 2. Tells Priya a story or protect her from the rain and hot sun. So we all know that number 3 option is correct. Number 3. So you will put a tick mark in the third option. Isn't it? Protects Priya from rain and hot sun. Done. Now we will do number 2. Put a tick against the sentence that are true and put a cross, means cross mark, against those that are false. Okay. As we know the story, you all can do it. Number 1. Avi's grandmother sings song to her. Try to remember, recollect what have we learned, reflect back what have you learned. Avi's grandmother sings song to her, or she used to tell her story. Isn't it? She used to tell her stories. Okay. So this will be a wrong statement. This is a wrong statement. So you will put a cross mark here. Okay. Next one. Priya's friend is a small plant. Was it a small plant or a big banyan tree? It was a big banyan tree. So this statement is wrong. So again you will put a cross mark here. Okay, you'll put a cross here. Next statement, third statement. Priya's friend lives in the school garden. Yes, Priya's friend means the banyan tree lives in the, means it was in the school garden. So the third one will be the correct statement. So here we will put a tick mark. Okay, done? Okay children. So in the next class we will do read, reflect and write. This means the question answers we will write. We'll read, then we'll reflect back what have we learned, then we will write in the CW copy. So in the next class, please be with your CW copy, pencil and an eraser so that I will explain. I'll tell you the answers. You can write those in your CW copy. Clear? So please go through the chapter so that you can write down the question answers given here. And all this thing you will do in the book and send to me.